Welcome to the Lovespoon Workshop. Today we are bringing you a video showing how we've made a very special love spoon. Now, we were asked to make this love spoon and we make many love spoons and send them all around the world, but it's always nice to be able to make a love spoon for somebody that you know and has had an influence upon your life, and a sort of big influence in sort of formative years as you're growing up. Now, this particular individual has served the local community and our local primary school for the last 40 years. It's an incredible contribution, an incredible dedication to have been teacher and head teacher for our local primary school. I myself, as well as my brothers and sisters, were fortunate enough to be taught by this teacher. So we were delighted when we were asked by the school if we would make a love spoon to celebrate the contribution that has been made by the head teacher who is soon to retire. Okay, so now it's time for me to stop talking, which I'm sure everybody is probably glad about, because we've got a special guest presenter today who's going to explain about how we've made this love spoon. His name's Nico. It's his first video and he is going to explain exactly how we've made this special love spoon for the retiring head teacher of our local primary school. Take it away, Nico.
Hello, this is Nico. Welcome to the workshop. I like to say hello to all of my friends. We made a love spoon for Mrs. Morris and Mrs. Pusey came to get it. We do all of our work. We made lots of love spoons for everyone. Welcome to the Lovespoon Workshop. We work a lot and a lot. Hello, hello. This is when we work in the Lovespoon Workshop. And we will make the best love spoons from Daddy and Grams. And the workshop is only for grown-ups and little ones can go there as well. Well, if they want to, little ones can. Well, in the musicals, if it's children day, they can go in the workshop. Well, every day there's lots of spoons. Welcome to the Lovespoon Workshop. Wait a minute, I can't say that. And we work, and Daddy and Grams cut the love spoon. and Daddy and Grams and all the people sit on the bench.
You may notice at the start of this video some older footage. There's a reason that we included that in this particular celebration. It's because it was actually shot by the previous head teacher of our local primary school. Now, he came in 1992 and helped us to make a video showing how we make our love spoons. It was the first occasion that anyone had actually come in and filmed us making a love spoon, and since then, you may notice from our YouTube channel, subtle plug, we've made a number of videos showing how we make traditional hand-carved Welsh love spoons. So it's a good example for how our local primary school has had a role to play in the development of a local business within the community. So there you have it. That is how we have made this love spoon to celebrate the incredible legacy that has been created in our local primary school. I'd also like to thank Nico for his contribution and his expert analysis of how we've made this love spoon, and thank you as well for everyone in the school who asked us to be involved in celebrating this fantastic achievement. So thank you all for watching, and we hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit about how we make our love spoons.
Every day there's lots of spoons. And you know that, Daddy? What did you say? Just say it a bit more louder.